welcome back for another video. This video is my Sheabassador box number 4 unboxing. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already saw these products, but not everybody follows me on Instagram. If you don't, I'm going to leave my Instagram name down below because you should follow me. So first things first, I'm going to show you our shirt because we got a shirt. That was the first thing that I saw. Once I opened my box, it was folded up and I'm wearing it. It says Shea Moisture Sheabassador 2019, and in the back it says hashtag Sheabassador, hashtag class 2019, and up here somewhere it says Shea Moisture. So I'm gonna get straight into it. So that was the first thing. Like I said, we got a t-shirt, we got a washcloth that says Shea Moisture on it, so that's dope. I don't use washcloths. I think I mentioned this before. I use loofahs, so I might use this. I may use it for filming the videos, I don't know yet, or I'm just gonna use it as a hand towel most likely. What was cool about this box is only one thing in the box was a hair product, which I like because I feel like we're overwhelmed with hair products right now, but we got skincare products. So the first thing I'm going to show you, so this whole line is the coconut and cactus water line, quench and refresh. Hold on. Woo. So I had to take a step back. So actually this is the book that we got. It says this is the time to refresh, line coconut, but the line is coconut and cactus water with blue agave, and this can be found at Ulta Beauty. So the key ingredients is coconut water, cactus water, and blue agave. The benefits: so coconut water provides a lightweight hydration and essential fatty acids. Cactus water infuses skin and hair with essential vitamins and minerals, and the blue agave is a superfood that acts as a gentle exfoliant to revitalize skin and scalp. And I think this is great. Also, a lot of people have been saying for the summertime, which is approaching us because it is June now, so it couldn't have come at the perfect time, more perfect time. So I'm gonna look through this book and then just go back down the list, and that was the hair product that we got from the line. Coconut and cactus water pick me light mask with blue agave, and this is supposed to be the ultra light pick me up to condition strands and restore hair's shine and softness. So just to show you product, so for some reason this smells like lotion to me. That's what it smells like, lotion, and this is what it is. So it's pretty thick product, so I can't wait to use this. Another hair mask, which is awesome because you can deep condition with this one. And then the next one is the bubble bath body wash, which is this, and it's a big size bottle. I'm not sure if this comes in a big bottle or this is just the standard size, but this is 8 ounces, so this, I'm talking about picking up. So this one is pretty big. It's 13 fluid ounces. It's a body wash, again with the blue agave, and it says this multi-purpose sulfate-free bubble bath and body wash drenches your skin in super hydrating coconut water and cactus water. And then next is the quench and refresh bar soap. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's kind of crumbly. Oh, this is actually a better side to show you. So the quench and refresh bar soap, and this cooling bar soap cleanses, refreshes, and hydrates with natural, certified, organic, and fair trade ingredients. So all this stuff is for our body, and not, when I say body, like our skin and not our face. So this is going to be interesting to film. The quench and refresh body scrub. This is the whole bottle, what it looks like. And I actually opened this the other day by mistake, but this one has, I don't know, smells more scentsier to me. I can smell in this one. It's kind of like, I don't know, you'll just see more in detail when I film it, but, and this is a pretty big size as well. And last but not least is the body lotion. So they gave us everything: your body wash, your body scrub. Oh, I didn't mention what the body scrub. So the body scrub is an exhilarating body scrub, contains jojoba bees. Oh, that's why it probably smells that. To gently buff away dry skin cells, leaving you soft and smooth. And last but not least, the Coconut Cactus Water Quench Refresh Body Lotion. This is the coconut water, blue agave, and cactus, provide intense moisture, leaving skin soft and glowing. So that is all the products I received from Shea Moisture, box number 4. Can't wait to know, because you know I'm honest with my reviews of whether I like the product or not. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, you should be. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.